That's all you're packing?
Yes, I prefer to pack light.
Okay. What do people usually wear in Australia?
It depends. Students generally wear t-shirts and jeans if it's warm.
In that case, I think I have all the clothes I'll need,
It might get cold there.
but it will be summer.
Still, you never know. I have a thick sweater. You can borrow mine.
Okay, thanks, Jill.
Do you have boots for hiking?
I don't know if I'll go hiking, but I do have boots. What do you think? Isn't the design nice?
I would get something more practical.
I have great hiking boots.
Would you mind if I borrowed them?
Not at all. Let me get everything.
I don't know if I'll have room.
Hi guys. What are you doing?
We're helping Casey pack.
Sounds like fun. Do you have a book to read for the plane?
No, but I have my tablet. I use it to play games, watch movies, read books, just about everything.
What if the battery runs out?
Well,
See? Then you won't have anything to do. But don't worry. I have plenty of books you can borrow.
okay.
I'll go get them.
Okay. And I have some things you will definitely need, including a first aid kit.
Right.
Here, Casey.
Oh. It will be warm there. I don't know if I need all of this.
Of course you do.
Okay. Thanks, Jill.
Hey Casey. You're going to love these books. And I found something else you might need.
Huh?
These books are great. And you'll need the snorkel and flippers when you go in the water.
Jeez. Thanks, Eric.
No problem.
Hey, Casey. Lucky you. I found everything.
Oh. Oh boy.